Losing fat isn't just about eating less and exercising more. You might be making simple mistakes that are secretly holding you back. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, eating healthy, working out, cutting calories, but still not losing fat? You're not alone. Many people unknowingly make diet mistakes that slow down their progress or even cause weight gain. In this video, we'll break down 10 common diet mistakes that are preventing you from losing fat and how to fix them. By the end, you'll have the knowledge you need to get lean, stay motivated, and finally see results. Let's get started. One, overeating. Healthy foods. Eating healthy foods is great, but portion control still matters. Just because something is labeled as healthy doesn't mean you can eat unlimited amounts. Nuts, avocados, dark chocolate, and even protein bars can be loaded with calories. A handful of almonds is around 150 calories, but if you eat a whole cup, that's nearly 800 calories. So you can measure your portions. Stick to serving sizes and track your calories if needed. 2. Ignoring protein intake. Protein is essential for fat loss. It keeps you full, helps retain muscle while burning fat, and boosts metabolism. Studies show that people who eat a high-protein diet burn more calories at rest than those who don't. Best protein sources are lean meats, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, and lentils. Aim for 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Include protein in every meal to stay full longer. 3. Cutting calories. Too drastically, a massive calorie deficit might help you lose weight quickly, but it slows down your metabolism over time. Your body thinks it's starving and holds on to fat. Eating only 1,000 calories a day might work at first, but after a few weeks, your body adapts and weight loss stalls. Create a moderate calorie deficit, 300 to 500 calories less than your maintenance. Focus on quality foods, not just calorie numbers. 4. Drinking. Your calories. A common mistake is forgetting about liquid calories. You might be eating healthy, but what about your drinks? A Starbucks Frappuccino can have 500 plus calories. A bottle of soda contains 10 plus teaspoons of sugar. Stick to water, black coffee, herbal tea, or zero-calorie drinks. If you drink smoothies, watch portion sizes and limit added sugars. 5. Relying too much on diet or low-fat foods. Many foods labeled low-fat or sugar-free replace fat with sugar, artificial sweeteners, or chemicals to make them taste better. These can spike cravings and make weight loss harder. A low-fat yogurt can have 20 plus grams of sugar, making it worse than the regular version. Read labels carefully. Choose whole, unprocessed foods instead of diet products. 6. Not eating enough fiber. A low-fiber diet leads to poor digestion, cravings, and overeating. Fiber slows digestion and keeps you full longer. Compare a bowl of white rice versus quinoa. Both have carbs, but quinoa is higher in fiber, keeping you full longer. Best fiber sources: vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily. Include veggies, berries, oats, and beans in your meals. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration is equal to hunger plus slower metabolism. Sometimes your body confuses thirst for hunger. You feel hungry, but after drinking a glass of water, you don't crave food anymore. That's because dehydration was the real problem. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Start your day with a glass of water before eating. 8. Not getting enough sleep. Did you know lack of sleep increases fat storage? Poor sleep messes with hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin, and makes you crave junk food. After a bad night's sleep, you wake up craving sugar and carbs. That's not a coincidence. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Avoid screens before bedtime. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. 9. Stress eating and emotional eating. When stressed, your body releases cortisol, which increases cravings for sugary and fatty foods, leading to belly fat storage. After a rough day, you might binge on chips or ice cream instead of making a healthy meal. Recognize stress triggers. Find healthy stress relief. Exercise, meditation, journaling. 10. Expecting instant results. One of the biggest mistakes? Impatience. Fat loss is a slow process. If you expect instant results, you might get frustrated and give up. You see someone on Instagram lose 10 pounds in a week, but they probably followed an unsustainable crash diet. If you want to burn fat effectively and keep it off, follow these golden rules. Stay patient and trust the process. Eat real, whole foods, exercise, and stay active. Which of these mistakes have you made? Let me know in the comments. Check out my other videos on 10 best diet plans to lose belly fat fast. See you in the next one.